World champion boxer Manny
If I had to change my religious beliefs, I would not marry a person that I love. Because the first person that I love is God, who created me. And I have my faith, my principles, and it's what makes me who I am. And if that person loves me, should love my God too. Thank you. Muito obrigada, Brazil!
Academy Grand Star Dreamer is Yeng Constantino.
Ikaw, handa ka na ba maging winner? Come on and join us!
Sa isang selebrasyong hindi nyo makakalimutan, promise!
Matututo ka na, mag-e-enjoy ka pa! On September 30, Sunday, at Word of Life Christian Assembly.
At Bagong Pag-asa Subdivision, Apalit, Pampanga, 2 to 4:30 p.m.
Pwede ka pa magsama ng friends and loved ones mo.